Hi, welcome to Alpha Motors here in Wigan. My name's Graham and today I've got the pleasure of showing you around this 2017 on a 67 Volkswagen Arteon R-Line. Now this is the 2-litre TSI DSG automatic gearbox car. Wonderful, wonderful looking car. Tell me what looks as good as that. This is a 5-seat, 5-door family comfort coupe. Colour is finished in Pyrite silver metallic, if that's how you say it, excuse me if it's not, and it's sat on the absolutely wonderful propeller style 19-inch bicolour alloys. Now the silver itself is more like a grey metallic, not too dark, but do you know, I think it sets the car off wonderfully well. Shows the black accents, the chrome, the 19-inch wheels, the privacy glass. The boot spoiler on the car has got the piano black finish on it. From every angle the car just looks superb. Now R-Line gets the power vents and power blades on the wing and door, that says R-Line, and then just look at those wheels. They look like they're doing 100 miles an hour stood still. Wonderful condition, absolutely gorgeous car throughout. Chrome detailing at the bottom of the sill, but as you look around it you can tell it's been well looked after. Couple of stone chips at most on the bonnet. Again, consummate with the age and mileage. This low front end just sometimes seems to get slightly few, so literally one there, one there. But again, we've touched them in with a nice touching pencil, so not that you'd need to do anything at all. Car itself, all the wheels are in wonderful order. Just look at that, free really from any mark on there. When it goes into pre-delivery inspection and detail there in the mechanics bay, we remove the wheels, we polish them. Any little marks will get improved, but just look at the side. The paint works in really high gloss finish, pretty much free from any trolley dent or parking knock throughout. We go around the vehicle here. I'm going to show you all the wheels so you can have a true appreciation of how nice the car is. But yeah, I do like the bicolour metal and black. Now some of those wheels, particular Mercedes, tend to corrode very easily because there's no protection on them. It's just a lacquer over the alloy, but these are all in wonderful order. Now from the back there we've got the parking sensors front and rear, twin tailpipe effect on it as well as, and then this piano black rear tailgate spoiler is great. I'll open the boot once we've been in the car. Obviously you've got to press it twice, I must have only pressed it once. But just look, the car itself, the lines on it are wonderful. Very reminiscent of an Audi A7 or an Audi A5 Sportback. I suppose Volkswagen Group use that shape regular. But look at the lines, just the actual size and shape is wonderful. Now this is the first one we've had, so I've not had an opportunity to go over one of these, but they're all gorgeous looking cars. Again, lovely, lovely car throughout. I'll start it up when we go round. Once I've been inside, you can see the signature lights. I do like those as well. Now, as I open the door, you'll see that it's not got a pillar on it. So the pillarless doors, that's what gives it the, realistically, the coupe lines. The aluminium detail is in nice condition. We've got power folding door mirrors, 4 electric windows, sills are all in the nice satin R-Line. We've got ergo comfort seats, which we can adjust there. Aluminium pedal set. We've got the tailored all-weather mat setting, but the seats in wonderful condition. Again, you get a touch of wear on the bolsters and a touch of wear on the base, but nothing again that's not consummate with the 39,059 miles the car's covered from new. Jumping in, digital cockpit straight away is what springs to light. Do like the digital cockpits or the virtual cockpits on these. We'll service it there. You can see oil service in 300 miles, so it'll get serviced before it leaves Wigan. No problem whatsoever. Now, square bottom steering wheel, multifunction, trimmed in leather, cruise control, speed limiter, and then on this side obviously we've got voice control and also volume, etc. Variable cruise control there, and again virtual cockpit. You can just run through the cockpit there. Assistance systems, lane change warning, driving data, vehicle status. So that's you're pretty much in front of the dashboard. BBC 2, and there is your But running across to the centre then, it's a nice flush later style system on the Volkswagen. So we've got satellite navigation, Bluetooth radio with the new icons that you can get like that. Media player, that's in the glove box. So we've got CD, we've got USB, we've got obviously SD cards as well. Bluetooth phone with voice activation, we've got voice there, so we don't know that. Navigation, apps, so we've got Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, Mirror Link, and then that's the car status. You can run through all of those as you do. Coming down to the centre then, we've got heated seats, climate control, digital, and then running down we've got the DSG automatic box, and then on the paddles on the driver if we want to drive it using the manual function. Auto hold handbrake, nice to have that when you're on a hill. Stick it on, it'll stop. Hold its handbrake. 2 keys, 12-volt charger in the armrest. Then we've got a USB and auxiliary, so the full media player on these. Aluminium detail runs throughout the dash and then onto the doors with the inline black detail also. I don't smoke, and I can tell the last keeper wasn't a smoker on this car either. All the mats are in wonderful condition, all the seats are in wonderful condition. Excuse the phone going off in my pocket there then. I'll leave the car running now. As you can hear, that nice smooth engine, 2 litre 16 valve on this particular model is very smooth. Privacy glass in the rear as I open it, so let's just press the button on the door to open it, and that'll give me all the doors open. Loads of legroom in here, loads of legroom. Audi A5 and Passats on the floor pan, so you get a super loads of legroom. Centre armrest if you're in luxury mode with cup holders. Again, aluminium detail running throughout the doors. Now in the boot, fingers crossed it opens this time. Yeah, there we go. Expecting it to be electric then, but manual boot. But just look at the size of that. Big as a Passat estate car, that. In fact, it probably is a Passat estate car. And wow, look at that spare wheel, which is an alloy wheel. Don't normally see that these days. There are either no spare wheel at all, or an inflation kit, or a space saver. So 5 alloy wheels with 5 full-size tyres. So you'll not get caught out on this car if you get a puncture. So what have we got? We've got all the service documentation. We've got 2 keys, full mat set. What a lovely car in a lovely colour. Now there's that sort of J-style LED signature with the eye as well in there. I do like that. Somebody's thought about the design of this. That's gorgeous. So, first one I've had. Drives wonderful. R-line, top spec, all the toys, all the bells, and lots of whistles. So, if you like this, give us a call. We'll give you some more info. I'm Graham. With Dom and Lee on sales. We'll be happy to help. If you've got a part exchange, give us a call. We'll give you a price. If you need finance, we can do the quote at the same time. Check out our reviews, check out our socials. You'll see lots of customers from all over the UK who are reserve and collecting. Stick a deposit on it, we'll get it ready for you so you can come and collect it in the same day. But as for now, thanks for watching the video, and I look forward to your inquiry.